Monday, January to Sunday, and tomorrow is the start of the work week again, and of course the work week for this New Year 2021. By the way, Happy New Year. Siyempre, kung malamig ang panahon, maulan the entire day, ano bang best na dapat natin gawin at gustong gusto natin gawin? Either sa matulog, of course, gusto rin natin kumain na masarap. So we're gonna explore this Boni Mandaluyong and check out this newest restaurant here na talaga namang sa labas pa lang very enticing na. Plus, it's a Filipino food. So we're gonna check it out and hope we enjoy it. And let's go! Lalo na kung maulan. Actually, maulan ngayon. It's kind of weird because we started our day. Thank you. And they also have free soup. Thank you. So, a better way to end your day with a very nice soup kasi nga malamig ang panahon. So, there you go. There you go, guys. So Mandaluyong's best kept secret bago puntahan dito sa Boni Avenue, Mandaluyong City. There's this Goto Tendon. So syempre, I think ang kanilang specialty is Goto, Pares, and Silog. At iba pa. So we're gonna try their, of course, yung kanilang Pares. No? Ambience is really good. Talagang maganda yung interior, woody, saka trendy yung kanilang interior, and the price is perfectly fine, you know, and the service is also good. They're very attentive. They have a lot of staff over here, and I think we're gonna enjoy eating it today. So if you have time, if you're from Mandaluyong or Boni Avenue, this is just near, if you're going to Mandaluyong City Hall, this is just opposite of Union Bank. And this is just along the road, no? So you're gonna really love here, especially pag maulan. Masarap kumain ng mga maiinit, Pares, Goto, and of course, the Filipino famous silog. So bago lang tong place na to, I've been living in Mandaluyong since 2009. So they have a parking space in front, and unfortunately, though they don't accept cards right now, it's cash. So if you're gonna visit this place, please make sure you have cash. But there's a nearby BDO, and just opposite across the street is actually Union Bank. So still convenient along the road, hindi na traffic ng area na to, and very peaceful tong place na to. So this is really a nice place, bagong place lang. So I really recommend that you guys visit this, especially if you want to eat medyo mainit na mga food, and lalo kapag umuulan at malamig ang panahon. So right now, katatapos lang ng New Year, obviously it's still cold. January to February is a cold month for us. December, you know, alam natin lahat yun. And here, even in Mandaluyong, no, malamig talaga yung panahon. Especially ngayon, umulan. No? Ngayong buong araw actually umulan. So we're gonna wait for the food. It's gonna be served after 10 minutes, and we're gonna see. Bilis ng service. Wala pa kami siguro mga 10 minutes. Okay, sobrang sarap. Beef pares. The beef pares itself is really nice. The soup, of course. And of course, this rice. Sticky. Na sobrang okay. So really, the combination is really good. You should try, guys. See that? Wow, sarap. Japanese style na pag-sip ng soup. Mainit, masarap. course, alam nating lahat yung pinaka-best na Paris is nasa Retiro. But seems like the best Paris is actually here in Mandaluyong. So, yeah. Sarap.
So on the winner, in scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate this food?
I'm gonna rate it, of course, bias ako. This is a Filipino food, so I'm gonna rate it 10. You know, why? Of course, this is truly Pinoy. Yung Filipino street food, level up. Of course, the beef pares na alam natin na nagbibigay ng tawid gutom sa atin sa mga ordinary natin mga working class pagka galing sa trabaho or bago pumasok. Diba? So, mura-mura, pero ito level up. And of course, the famous silog. So, lahat ng mga silog na alam natin dito sa Pilipinas, siguro nakainan na natin. It's truly Filipino. So, and of course, it's world class. Now, the place is very nice. The interior, they have a very trendy restaurant, and the service is very fast. The staff are very attentive, and they have unlimited soup. Sobrang sarap pag kumain ka dito na, for example, maulan or it's raining. Like today, the entire day it's really raining and it's cold. So I really love my first time being here at Goto Tendon, here at Boni Avenue, Mandaluyong City. So if you have time, if you're visiting Mandaluyong or from Mandaluyong, please don't hesitate to visit this place. Highly recommended. Siguro, I feel at home dito sa restaurant na to. Plus, the service is really nice. Talaga maasikaso sila. So, and of course, the unlimited soup. So we're done having our food trip, this travel vlog dito sa newest na kainan dito sa Boni Mandaluyong, one of Boni Mandaluyong's best kept secret, truly Filipino. What I like about this restaurant is really actually the service. Everyone is polite, from security guard, pagpasok mo pa lang sa mga service crew nila, they're very attentive. And of course, if the service is very warm and very welcoming, you'll feel really at home. And at the same time, siguradong may enjoy mo yung food mo. Kagaya ng pag-enjoy namin sa pagkain nila sa beef pares and of course sa silog. So guys, let's support local businesses. If you are visiting Mandaluyong, you can visit this place. They're open from 10 a.m. till 11 p.m. They have dine-in and take-out. Tapos na nga natin matikman ang Goto Tendon. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And of course, if you have some suggestions of the best food or food establishment or restaurant here in Metro Manila, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. So guys, please don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share, because here again, till our next travel adventure, because here, you're the winner. Siyempre, what better way na kapag malamig ang panahon is ano ba dapat natin gawin? Obviously, naghahanap tayo ng mainit. And of course, kung malamig ang panahon, tag-ulan, at talaga namang iba ang panahon, obviously, the best thing,